Good morning, Baguio City. It's 5:30 a.m. February 2, 2026. Good morning, everyone. We are here in Baguio City Hall for Monday flag ceremony.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Ay, ito na. Sige, ito na. Mayroon na. Remembrance of
Banang artista. Thank you. Tama si Madam Nandrimon.
Oh, you must never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands.
In the cooking category of the World Skills Asia Taipei 2025 competition. A graduating student of the Diploma in Culinary Arts Technology at Cordillera State Institute of Technical Education, Dokaiso competed against delegates from 13 countries and earned the Medallion for Excellence. His dedication, skill, and creativity not Thailand reaching the quarterfinals. Their achievement highlight Baguio's excellence in specialty coffee, bring honor to the city and Josephine Madet Golab, Alex Garcia Reyes, Arsenia Balisong Tudlong, Baguio City. They were recognized during the Seniors Ball on November 5, 2025 for their dedication, accomplishments, community involvement, and exemplary personal qualities. Their service reflects ageless wisdom, and commitment, bringing honor to the city of Baguio and inspiring civic engagement among the community.
Okay, ready ko? Ready, 1, 2, 5.
Service and ability to balance professional responsibilities with the pursuit of legal excellence, bringing honor and pride to their families and to the city of Baguio. May we request the families of these two board passers to join the recognition. Ms. Bilog is recognized for her more than 6 years of faithful service in the Sangguniang Panlungsod and her long-standing involvement in local governance. Having previously served as Sangguniang
We recognize the Miss Teen Baguio 2025 Teen Queens for their outstanding achievements, exemplary performance as young leaders and role models in our community. For the Miss Teen Baguio 2025 candidates, we have Miss Sharina Dominic De Leon Garcia, Miss Teen Baguio 2025 candidate representing Luacan proper. In this regard, may we call also the following teen queens: Jeris D. Sabaten, Miss Teen Baguio Cultura; Miss Janine Leonela Gutierrez, Miss Teen Baguio Turismo; and Miss Chasti Ben Bernales Panagan, Miss Teen Baguio 2025 title holder. Once again, we congratulate all our awardees for their dedication and for being an inspiration to the youth of our city.
Awarded on February 10, 2026, anchored on strict enforcement of preventive measures and value-based intervention. We are also proud to report that from the fourth quarter of 2025 to present, our facility has recorded zero escape incident, zero riot, noise barrage, or violence.
Okay, tingin po tayo dito. 1, 2,
Yes po.
okay, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and other cameras.